Shalom family. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about hormonal balance yet again. Now, I've shared quite a bit of videos on this topic. In fact, I have a dedicated playlist to hormonal and reproductive health, which I'll link below if you want to check that out next. But today I'm going to be focusing on 7 pivotal herbs that can be used for hormonal balance, how they can be used, and how you can holistically support your reproductive health. So our bodies are ecosystems. They have different components that work together in tandem, and that's what keeps our bodies aligned. And one of the delicate aspects of this is that we have to keep our hormones in check. The hormones influence growth, physical features, emotions, so on and so forth. So first, let's talk about green tea. So green tea is known for its polyphenols, the most notable being ECCG, and it's a powerful antioxidant that is shown to actually modulate the estrogen levels in the body, which can be beneficial when you have estrogen dominance, and then for things like estrogen sensitive cancers or fibroids. Next, we have dandelion. Dandelion is usually dismissed as a weed, but it has a rich history in herbal medicine. It has a reputation for supporting our liver health, and it also plays a crucial role in our metabolism. So its diuretic processes help us to get rid of excessive hormones, and as a tonic, it strengthens our liver, which is important both for elimination and assimilation. Next, we have maca root. So maca is a plant that we get from the Andes Mountains of South America. It is known for its adaptogenic properties. The root is used to balance estrogen and progesterone levels, and it actually helps our endocrine system find balance by addressing any deficiencies or excesses, so it helps to modulate. And then we have chaste tree, which was actually used for monks as an aphrodisiac, but it is used in the female body usually to activate or kind of stimulate progesterone. It works by acting on our pituitary gland, which is another important part of hormonal health. And if you're curious about the importance of the pituitary gland as it pertains to our hormones, I have another video which I will link that you can check out about the different parts of the body that are pivotal for the woman's reproductive health or for hormonal health that you wouldn't really think of outside of, the reproductive organs. So I'll link that and the blog post down below. Next, we have ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is renowned in Ayurvedic, which is Indian medicine. It's another adaptogen, and it actually works on the body's stress response, so through our adrenal glands. It has cortisol modulating properties, which cortisol levels can impact other hormones. And then we have another adaptogen, which is licorice root, known for its sweet taste, but it's more than just a flavor or a candy. It is used predominantly in TCM or Chinese medicine, and it's used for adrenal health as well. It also helps to balance the cortisol regulation. So I mentioned cortisol quite a few times. Cortisol is a natural response in the body to stress, but elevated levels can lead to elevated cortisol levels, and then that can snowball, and then you can have issues like weight gain, immune system suppression, and even mood disorder. So it's really important to get that in check. And then lastly, we have turmeric. So turmeric is used a lot of times in food and Indian cuisine. It contains curcumin, which I talked about a lot, an anti-inflammatory property or compound that it's most known for. And so inflammation is another thing that can affect the body's hormone levels. And so we have a whole bunch of different aspects, a whole bunch of different herbs working in different ways to get that hormonal balance. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you can see how hormonal balance can be tackled on so many different fronts, and how you can kind of look at what your situation is and bring different herbs and remedies together to get into balance. So if you've seen this video, you checked out my other ones in the playlist, and you still need help, I have a Mastering the Womb course where we go through all the different hormones. We even talk about the male hormones as well. We talk all about the reproductive system as a whole, the different parts, all the different remedies. We talk about children and all the different stages of life, so menstruation, also then pregnancy, menopause, and all between, all the different herbs and recipes that you'll need. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out on my website, yazapothecary.com. But if you made it to the end, as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.